Alright, for the next thing is swapping out the light in this dome light. I'm gonna try to use this end of this plastic scraper to get it done. If I can't, then find something else. So first, you know what I mean, you just want to turn the light off, make sure it's off, and you just want to get underneath. You know, it's something that you can use to pry between. Get this out, which this doesn't seem to be working for me very well. There we go. And once you get one of those points out, you know, you can just hold it, go around, boom, pull that right off. You got your light, let's pull that out. And my original light coming right up. Let's see. And just make sure it works. Yep. So that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. Put the cover back on the same way, you know, you just place it and press it in so it clicks all around and you're good.